Hello, I am Chanika Svetvilas. I am an interdisciplinary artist and I am a Thai American woman. I have reddish brown, black hair that is asymmetrically cut, chin length on one side and ear length on the other. And today I'm wearing white cat-eyed glasses. I have on a peach button-down shirt and I have a blurred background. I wanted to invite you to my community care zine workshop. Zines have been around since the early 20th century, spelled Zine. They're a non-commercial type of publication that is DIY, do it yourself. Um, and it is handmade and distributed, often made by marginalized communities as a way to create community and to promote causes. Um, how is this zine workshop going to be a community care zine workshop? Well, it's going to be an opportunity for you to create a zine in an artful way that shares the kind of care you want to advocate for yourself. So you decide the information you want to contain in your zine. And it will be simply made from a one sheet of paper, and we will discuss what kind of care is supportive care. Sometimes we can receive care that is not supportive. So we can talk about um, triggers, the kind of care we currently receive, what kind of environment we want to be in, who we want to be in our care circle. For example, I find having Thai food and music that I like creates a supportive environment for me. Um, so you will have the opportunity to describe your choices for care and support in your zine that you can then photocopy if you like, or make into a PDF with QR codes with information you want to share to distribute to your care circle and your chosen family. And you can also teach others how to make a zine that you can exchange so that you can support others as well. I hope you can attend, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.